we are on the move again. After 6 days in Debut, we are taking off for Points West. There's a island group that a lot of the rally's gone to, although we're behind the rally, which I'm fine with. So we're gonna go take off and hopefully have a few quiet, isolated days.
Do some swimming and stuff would be kind of nice.
Enjoy some remote islands in Indonesia.
That sounds quite lovely.
Right?
We were headed over to an island called Walir, which is about 30 miles away. It was a great day for sailing, but we ran into a few obstacles first.
Having some excitement already, so the path we were trying to follow to get out of here to the north, all covered in fishing traps. Yeah, that's not so good. So we've got our SAS plan with all of our satellite images up, and we're trying to pick out another way through all the reefs and all the fishing nets. And we've got, what, 4 boats, I think, that are following our wake?
Yeah, we are now leading the way, but there are 4 rally boats behind us, and that's the last of the group in Debut. So
pressure's on us.
Yeah.
Better not lead them aground.
Yeah.
You know, us aground.
Having satellite images once again proved invaluable. We were able to lead the pack through the reefs without any issues, and then it was time to go sailing.
Time to work our way into the anchorage.
Squeeze!
Yeah, chart's no good. Satellite images definitely helpful, huh?
Yeah, definitely. Several boats in the rally have hit bottom in Indonesia already.
Yeah, we've been here for less than a week, so that's an ominous sign.
Yep.
When we got in here yesterday and anchored, there were 5 boats total. 3 of them left this morning, and they are sailing off to Banda, which is the next spot on the rally. We are here remaining with our friends Mir Niokin, Carlos, and Linda, and we're just gonna hang out for a little while, I think. This would be a good place to just chill. Debut was a little overwhelming, to be honest, like just all the paperwork and officials and clearing in, and the 40 boats that were in the anchorage were, it was a little bit much, to be honest. So we're just gonna chill, relax for a little bit, work on some videos, maybe let most of the boats clear out of Banda, and then we'll go. So just kind of lag behind a little bit, and you know, this is not a bad place to just chill for a while.
Walir is an absolutely gorgeous anchorage, and being there with Carlos and Linda was a great way to get to know new friends and learn some valuable skills from each other.
So we have Linda, who's going to teach us how to make crepes.
Yay.
I like
Crepes
this.
of my grandmother.
Oh, very special recipe, huh?
Yeah.
I like
Very
it.
special.
So what are we doing?
So first we are 4, so take 4 eggs, but you can take how many eggs you want. Depends how many you are. There are no special rules for that.
See, that's not good for me. I require special rules.
David likes the rules.
Watching Linda make the batter by feel was impressive. Starting with the right number of eggs, she added flour until it was the right thickness, then some oil, and then came the milk. She added that bit by bit until she had the proper consistency.
At the beginning, when you're not sure, you try one and you see it very thick, and you put a bit more milk. I still do some mistakes sometimes, but just try one. And some people like it's thick, so if you like thick, you can do like that. But in Britannia, it's thinner. More thin it is, better it is.
Once she was ready for the first try, she oiled the official crepe pan and showed what a true art it is to pour correctly.
This one looks good. That is not good. The hole. It's important because when you put your Nutella or your things after, you make a mess.
Can't have my Nutella escaping.
Yes. It's stuck, eh? I cannot flip it. I don't know why.
There you go.
I'm nervous because everybody's looking.
Yeah! Very nice.
Yeah,
Very
few hours
natural.
of practice. Few years of practice.
I was none too subtle in encouraging Amy to give it a try. That way, we could have crepes on board in the future.
When you see a hole, you can put a bit more.
Yeah, not enough.
It's an amazing amount of dexterity required.
Yeah, slowly you need the practice, but it's good. It's not bad.
It's much better than mine.
Come on,
Too.
this
Mine
little
was
hole.
like a pancake in
Go,
the
go,
middle.
there we go.
Yeah, crepe.
Huh?
Mine was like a half pancake, half crepe.
Alright, so how do you tell when to flip it? Does the edges start to come up? Or
Yeah, you will see in the side. It
Okay.
start to be a bit.
I think
Yeah,
this one will
no.
be a practice because I'm going to try to flip it.
you
It'll
wanna
probably end up on the floor, but that's okay.
Are you going to try flipping this
Alright, I'm
one,
going to try flipping.
Yes. Wow.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Ready to go.
I'm going to make a mess.
Yay! Well
It's not
done.
so bad, yeah? Not so hard.
Let's see you do it 11 times in
I
a
know,
row then.
yeah.
You are going to do crepes. Sure. Orange marmalade. Ah no, clementine.
Yeah, Mom.
Orange.
Yeah. I need one more plate, Skinny.
Crepe time already?
Time.
Yay.
As you can imagine, the crepes were absolutely delicious. But having that much Nutella to start off the day gave us a great incentive to get off the boat for a bit of exploring and exercise.
One of the big advantages of being back in another wide open bay, we can go back in the water again. With all the crocodiles in Australia, the northern part, kind of scared of those guys. And then the water in Debut did not look all that fun for going swimming. So now that we are here in a gorgeous bay, we're gonna go do a little exploring. Got our friends Carlos and Linda over on Muir Neoken, so we're gonna go pick them up. Got the Admiral with me. Not entirely sure if there's gonna be any good snorkeling, but we're gonna go do some exploring, I think.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Carlos and Linda left yesterday, so we are the last holdouts here. They moved to a little closer island to Banda because they didn't want to do quite as far of a jump when the wind fills in. We decided we're just going to wait till the wind fills in. Today's Wednesday. The wind fills in tomorrow.
No, it's Tuesday. We're leaving tomorrow. We'll be in Banda on Thursday.
Yeah, maintaining...
What would he do without me?
I have no idea. Keeping track of dates is really hard. So we are going to go and do a little beach tour this morning.
Finally getting David off the boat onto the beach.
Have you been on the beach yet?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay then. I guess it is time to get me on the beach.
I wish I'd gotten that on video. As per usual with Amy, we weren't on the beach for very long before she started finding all the interesting things to look at.
You're looking for a stick to beat me with.
Looking for a stick so I don't have to get poked.
What did you find?
It is a pufferfish.
A pufferfish?
Check it out. I guess they die and they like get washed up here. Linda was thinking maybe they don't have a natural predator in the blue hole here.
Huh. That's interesting.
I don't know, because there were 3 on the beach when I walked last time. This one I moved up to high tide so I could show you because that's how much I love you.
Aw, you're so nice to me.
Yeah.
Did you find something else already?
Yeah. So our neighbors, I think was it Blue Roger? Yeah, Blue Roger. They had found these on the beach. They're like giant clams, but they're ruffled. The shell's different from the ones that we normally see. Although I did see some of these when we were snorkeling. And then there's sand dollars absolutely everywhere. At low tide, you can see the live ones.
This is like your perfect excursion, huh? All kinds of things to see on the beach.
I love beachcombing. Probably not even gonna take anything with me this time, but still enjoy it.
Now what did you find?
Another dead pufferfish.
Another one?
Yeah. This one's in the water now, and it looks a little bit more moist.
Oh, is that what water does?
Yeah, well, hastening the decomposing as opposed to the dried out one over there.
Gotcha. Quite the forensic scientist you are.
CSI, baby.
And they're calling you for the next audition any moment now. What is that, babe? I'm asking you a lot of questions today.
You are. I don't know what that is, but it's a bunch of coconuts. Not quite sure how they're sticking, but some of them at the bottom are germinating. Let's go check it out.
What do you think of the beach?
It's nice.
Yeah, it's kind of amazing white sand. The water is just so clear, just right here on shore. It's kind of cool. Yeah. And we're not 100% sure like what these coconut sheds and stuff that we're finding along the beach are, but it certainly seems like a lot of people come here to fish and work. And
yeah, there's quite a few fishing boats, local Indonesian fishing boats that are here, and we see them go out every day.
The motors have a very distinctive sound, so it's quite obvious when they're coming our way.
Yeah.
Walir wasn't mentioned in any of our cruising guides, but it turned out to be an amazing stop. It was great to just decompress for a while, cement new friendships, and get ready to explore the rest of Indonesia.
Hey y'all, thanks for watching. We had a great time in Walir making new friends with Carlos and Linda. It was a lot of fun and it was a beautiful location. We are currently in Phuket, but we are getting ready to head west. Very exciting. We're crossing the Indian Ocean this year, so we should be in Sri Lanka soon. You can find out more at our blog or our Facebook page. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.